and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this everyday wig unit sent from Unice hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I'm just showing you guys the additional accessories that was sent over in this wig box, including the wig as well. I already have on my head, of course, but it came with like 3 baby hair wraps, 2 edge brushes, and then like 2 wig caps. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the inside of this wig cap. As you guys can see, it has this new HD Real Scalp fabric underneath, along with an adjustable strap, and it also has a upgraded drawstring as well, which I've already been reviewing these kinds of wigs. The thing about this wig unit is that it has that fabric underneath, and that's something new that Unice is doing. So you guys could definitely see how good it looks through the progression of this hair video. But I have already went in and tinted my lace off camera. As you guys could see, the hairline looks really good. I did place it underneath on the fabric as well because I am of a deeper skin tone, so you would definitely have to tint the lace a little bit more underneath or at the bottom, or underneath or at the top. So I'm definitely going to go in with the parting space and tint that as well. But this has a very beautiful blend, you guys. The HD lace on this is like immaculate. It looks really good. It's fine, and I absolutely love it. Now when it comes to that fabric underneath, you guys, that looks really good as well, because I feel like they tried to do this before, but you could see like that line of demarcation between the actual lace and the fabric. But with this one, you cannot see, and if you purchase this, you will actually see that it has a very nice blend, you guys. So once you put your like lace tint down the parting and stuff like that, it will blend right together. So absolutely love the quality of this wig unit, and I love how easy it is as well. As you guys can see, they've been sending these, you know, tape wigs, and I think it's pretty convenient and easy, especially for people who like to take on and off their wigs at night, kind of like I do. You can just kind of reapply the tapes every day if you want to. A quick tip I would recommend is to make sure that you put this on before makeup or clean your hairline, because it's not going to stick if you have makeup on. In this hair video, I kind of was tussling with it because I didn't clean my hairline, so I did have to actually reapply my tapes. But normally that doesn't really happen with these wig units. It's just that I should have cleaned my makeup off around my hairline first. So again, just make sure that you just take some alcohol and wipe around your hairline before you stick the tapes. And yeah, so again, this was pretty much a done for you wig. I'm just pulling out the curls here, you guys. Really nice curls. I didn't have to put any heat to it, and that came out really well. I didn't have any problems with the actual texture, luster, or quality of the actual hair. So I give the hair a 10 out of 10. I also give this wig unit probably a 9 out of 10. I do feel like once I went to tighten this wig unit, which you guys would see later down in this hair video, it started to pull at my ear tabs, which would definitely lift the tape. So it's like I didn't need to pull it that tight. I kind of just left it as is, and you can just use the elastic band that comes in to tighten your wig unit. But depends on the sizing of your head shape, and because I didn't have a braid down today, my ball was kind of taking up a little space in the wig unit, so I did not have to tighten that wig with a drawstring in the back. So just keep that in mind as well. If you purchase this wig unit, you would know exactly what I'm talking about once you put it on your head. I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the lace tint, which is some foundation, and put it right down the smack dab middle of this parting space, because it is a little too light for me. I feel like if you were of a lighter skin complexion, this would definitely work for you, but I didn't really like that it was that light, so I'm just tinting it. But that is pretty much it, you guys. As for the specs of this wig unit, this is a 180% density wig unit, and it's in 24 inches in the body wave texture, and I absolutely love the density of this wig unit. I feel like last year they were sending me like 150% density wigs. I'm not really a fan of 150% density, but I think the 180% is like just right. So it's not too much hair. It's a very natural density in my opinion, and you don't have to really deal with too much hair. So I definitely recommend this for girls who are like on the go and just don't really want to do too much to their hair. It's very easy and on the go, and it's already pretty much done for you. All you really have to do is stick your wig on and ting your lace and pull out your curls. So that's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I'll continue to let this video play out, showing you guys different angles of this wig unit, close-ups and things of that such, along with an updo at the end, because you're definitely able to do that. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget. Let's remind them. Be my ride.